financial vested interest in not telling you what works. So when you hear these stupid things on the internet that's like, oh, your upline's not telling you what really, I'm like, are you kidding me? Because the better you do, the better I do. Why wouldn't I want you to win? So you gotta have a heart for helping other people. And so there'll be some boneheads that come in here from time to time that don't have that kind of heart. Don't worry, they won't last very long. Because you really have to have a heart to want to help other people. And then you also have to have a mindset of nonstop recruiting. Now I know we have a whole wheel of opportunity, and you're going to be in one of those wheels. Who here loves our B2B solutions division? I know we got some of those that really love that, right? Who's here really interested in our small business, loves our small business, right? I love all that too. But what I'm trying to tell you is for you to be able to have a sustainable business, how many people know that you have to recruit?
Yes.
So what about the military? They recruit. What about your church?
Recruit.
What about professional sports teams?
Recruit.
What about corporate America, Google, and all the other ones, and Facebook?
Recruit.
So why is that a dirty word for some of us? So we all are looking for top talent, and this is where you stay competitive. And I have a really great video to really share with you about that. So hopefully we can play this video.
I think if you play. You play?
Can you hear it though?
No. We can read it.
This is my waiting animation. Okay, can you hear it?
Yes.
All right.